Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first we have here Temu by As a Millionaire. We have here over there $1 million here. You have just to click over here and install Temu, or you can just dive into Temu.com and this is the homepage. So Temu is a great platform for you by leveraging its user-friendly features. You can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is resell products, participate in an affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions. For every sale made through your referral links, with a little creativity and effort, you can turn Timo into a profitable ventures. So all I have to do right now is scroll down and click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. Once you do that, you will find this page, which is earn commission with Timo, affiliate, and influencer. So we have the affiliate and influencer program. I will give you some information. First one, we have earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you have just to click over get started and you start with it. Then we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then we have here $100 coupon bundle. So we have new app users here can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial downloads. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You have just to join, share, and earn. The first steps we have join. A list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. About share, we have strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high-quality products. Then we have earn, achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases on programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will show you how you can share your link on TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, and create content on Instagram and Facebook. Then you start creating content by sharing your links. So the first one we have TikTok. So to earn money on Temu or TikTok, as you can see like that, you can just start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. Then, as viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok. Then let's move on to the Pinterest. So to earn money on Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlights popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion or jewelry decor. Here we have clothes, summer, girly, grunge, and burpee. Then regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And then we have Reddit. So to earn money on Temu or Reddit, join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link following subreddit rules. Engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights with a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. So as users make purchase through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit. And let's move on to create content on Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. On Instagram, you have just to post eye-catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. On YouTube, all you have to do is create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out your products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, and Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead. So this is how it works with Temu, as you can see. So in the first here in TikTok, you can just show the products without showing your face, and also here we can just show the products. Then you can just let the link in this comment section below, and here you can also share your face if you wanna. And in Pinterest here you can also let your link on the comment section and you will earn commission. And we have Reddit. As I mentioned, you can just respond for this question and share or advise people to use this link if you wanna earn money on Temu. Then on YouTube and Instagram, you can just start creating content, and this is how it works with Temu. So you can just get started as soon as possible and you start to earn money on Temu. Also, we have here products. It's very cheap. You can also convince people to use it because it's very cheap. And if you earn and you get $100, and you have here, you can buy whatever you want here. You can also convince people about this option. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.